It's safe to say that 2020 has both been a year from hell
and also the year of wonderful growth.
Practicing into new experiences that for some of us
challenge us to our core.
Together, we walk through going virtual.
Moving to a safer experience in person.
And even emerging with a new studio name to symbolize how much we are and we love Long Beach.
We want you to know,
from the bottom of our heart,
how blessed we are
to be moving through this together.
We love showing up for you,
teaching you,
and being inspired by you.
Cheers to 2021.
If you look for them, you'll see that good things are happening all around us. Happy 2021 Long Beach. We'll see you on your mat.